Headed on a road trip, let's go, let's go. Washing every town we dip on and past. You're in charge of the tunes.
Alrighty, we're at Lake Wallace, just outside Lithgow. We've been here about 4 or 5 days now. It's a nice little lake. Well, entrances over there. There's 2 ways in. You can just follow the road in this way. It just loops around behind us, all the way around, and out the other side of the lake. Back to the beginning again. On the way in, you turn left. That's where the toilets and showers are. We're off grid, so we don't use the toilets and showers, but I think they're pretty ordinary. They need a bit of TLC apparently. We haven't used them, but Terrell stuck her head in and kind of screwed her nose up a bit and said, "Nah, she'll use her own." It's all good. But the lake, they've been pulling a few trout out of here, not too many, but a couple of rainbow trout out of the lake. As you can see straight through the middle there, there's a pontoon, a fishing pontoon, and out there is where they've been catching them. I took the kayak out yesterday for probably about an hour, I suppose. I just tied off to one of the moorings and spun for a while, and then also used bait. Didn't catch anything, didn't know bites, no nothing. I think it's probably about 4 or 5 metres deep out there where the floating buoy is out there, but yeah, it's our setup over there. Pretty hot today. It's just starting to cool off a bit now, but it's been really quiet. I'll go for a bit of a walk over to the pier and we'll have a look. Okay, as you can see here, this is the fishing pontoon. Hi, Crow. It's all on flotation. I think that's about 4 metres deep where where you can sit there and fish for a bit. Might grab my rod a little bit later and go back down and have another crack at it, but I'll see what happens. But yeah, that buoy out there, I took the kayak out there and I was out there for about an hour and didn't get nothing, no bites or anything like that, but you know, facilities are here. It's a lovely lake. Like I said, we're up there, straight up there through that gap there. You can just see the bottom of our car above those steps. And Lithgow is about 8 or 9 k's away, the actual township of Lithgow. And in Lithgow, there's a bit to see. It's a nice little village. There is what they call it, the Lithgow Small Arms Museum. Basically, it's where all the defence have had their weapons built over the years, even currently, you know, like the Minimi and the Steyr and all that sort of stuff the defence still use, and also the Crossover, which is a civilian version of a rifle that is made here in Lithgow as well. There's actually a factory here that actually make the weapons here, even today. So, but the museum, it's about $10 to get in, $7 for a discount. It is really good. It's got a ton of weapons in there, all the weapons used in all the wars and different countries, what they use as well. It's really well worth having a look at. Thoroughly enjoyed it actually. As you can see over the back there is the power station and the high tensile power lines running over the back. There's a dam over there, and you would have seen in the drone footage I've done the dam, because I actually flew over that and back down again. Terrell went out there, and I think I was circling her on the other side, near the bank on the other side. I was circling around her with the drone. Spent about 20 minutes on the water, so no, it went really well.